here's the lake. We got this. It's a little boardwalk. You can see that. And here, wow. रुक जाओ. I don't know what's the name of this lake. वहाँ चलते हैं. वहाँ पे एक नाम लिखा हुआ है. आओ आओ आओ, फिर इधर ही आएंगे. आओ बेबी. State park ends here. Enter private property with permissions only. Oh, this is the state park. Not the state park property. It ends here. So after this line, it's a private property. Like someone will be owner and they owns this property, and you know, but it's good. वो प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी वहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. आधा उसके उधर, वो जो बोर्ड लगा हुआ है वहाँ, उसके उधर. अच्छा है ना बेबी, यहाँ पे कैंपिंग करो आके. हाँ, बट आई थिंक यहाँ पे बहुत सारे होल्स हैं स्नेक के. अरे स्नेक के होल नहीं होते हैं, वो गिलहरी के उस सब के होते हैं. नहीं, अरे बेबी स्टेट पार्क ऐसे ही होते हैं, कहीं भी जाओगे. होल वो स्नेक का नहीं होता है. मुझे सबसे अच्छा ये बोर्ड वॉक लगा, और ये साइड में, और इधर ये पानी आता होगा बरसात में उधर से ना. See, this is the marking. We are following this marking. It's oh man, look like huh? ये तो पूरा वो जमा क्या है? ये वो है ना? मशरूम? Okay. चलो. See formation of forest and state park. So man, with lake and trees and you know everywhere, it feels like an Amazon forest. Oh man, it's too dangerous. Feels like dangerous, not dangerous. And in this lake you cannot swim because it's it could be dangerous with the you know water animal.
Water animal or for the people?
No, water animal. This is the third rock formation. Again boardwalk, crossing the little river without water, and it It's like, you know, it's Amazon. In the movies you can see that this type of the formation of the trees like dumped in the river, so that it's feeling same. So here you can get this bench also. You can sit here. Here we need to go with the stairs. It's, and this is not a lake, this is a river going with the path. See, here is a new rock formation. I'm going to show you guys. It's so huge and big. You guys can see. I need to place my steps, be careful, but this is the, oh man, oh my gosh, see.
Careful.
And now we are on the uphill. You can see. And it's huge. Oh. See. See there.
Avinash. Avi.
Yes. It's all of the mountain, but this rock formation is too huge till here. This is the last end of the rock formation, and this again we are going downhill. Woo, 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 woo.
कितना गर्मी लगेगा भाई।
चलो चलो
सारी
चलो,
गर्मी आके लग जाएगी क्या?
ठीक है। आओ। Now we are going uphill. So this is the nice biggest rock formation. See. Sorry guys, in the GoPro it's not possible for zoom, but you can see in my stories and on my Insta and Facebook.
ये बाहर जाने का है क्या?
रुक जा।
Hold on. चलो.
See, we are going to Overlook.
तो दे दो.
Chestnut Overlook.
रुको रुको रुको.
Via stairs. There is a look like adventurous way. See. It's too hard to handle outside. power grid.
Maybe warning. Hazardous. Oh my god.
ये है ना, ये hazardous था थोड़ा सा.
Keep away. Don't touch it.
हाँ हाँ. आ जाओ इधर से. आओ यहाँ से, यहाँ.
I can. Be careful.
आ रहे हैं.
Baby, अब मेरा ना.
अब नहीं है कुछ ज़्यादा. Hey guys, look where am I? Where am I? Wow,
Finally,
finally
we have reached. Almost reached.
we have reached like it's close now. It's 100 meters maximum. Here is also in this
Private
state
residence, we cannot
park, you can see the private residence. So
area.
there is some private park also. So we are reaching at the finish line. Here's a different trail it's going, so you can join this one also. There are like a multiple trail which you can try, but we did longer one. And also Overlook trail also we did. Now we are reaching at our parking spot, you can see. And here you can see the fire here. So yes, there was just a this is the for kids, things to know before you go and join us. Kids in parks, trees, these board for the just for the kids, and you can find the trail maps here like this. So it's a safe. So We reached at our parking. We are going at like a nearby car. So we are finishing here and see, we are here and we just reached. And thank you so much. And if you like this video and episodes, so please subscribe our channel and like this video, and you can share the videos to your loveliest ones. And thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.